So here, my dudes, meron tayong 360 virtual tour ng Woodsville Crest that claims to be your oasis south of Metro. Now, first impressions, my dudes, gotta say, napakaganda ng renders nila. Like, mukhang totoo. So yung kanilang one bedroom with balcony offering is around 41 square meters in floor area. And I gotta say, my dudes, this is more my style. Mas maluwang siya, as we can see, and may L-shaped kitchen, dedicated na living area, at dining. So kung titignan natin, this is a veteran design move kung saan nilagyan nila ng mirror sa small spaces para lumuwang yung kanyang itsura, which, yan, yung kanilang dining has a mirror in front of it. And yung paggamit din ng accent wall dito sa living space help separate the areas ng living at dining kahit walang hard partition. So they did that technique again, which different materials separates their spaces. I like that. May smart console sila dito. So I'm guessing dito pwede mo kontrolin yung lights and switches. So most likely may kapartner itong kanilang smart console na app kung saan kahit wala tayo sa bahay ay pwede natin kontrolin. So planning wise, okay ito. Magandang kanyang mga finishes, very cozy. What more can you ask for?